So this subs caps the high definition reviews. Today we're going to be talking about a killer find that I found in a thrift store. This is an old 80s style VHS full-size camcorder. It's totally badass. It's from 1986 and it's fully functional. Yeah, VHS shoulder style camcorder, whoop-de-whoop, you know, big deal. But there's a secret about this camcorder. It's a newvicon camera, which means that it has two vacuum tubes in it, which are right here. They're made of glass, and this is before the invention of CCDs. This is how cameras used to record back in the day, and I love tube cameras, and I've always wanted one. And I bought this camera for I think $11.75 at thrift store a couple of days ago, and I ordered a new SLA battery for it, and it does work. I have it wired up. There's autofocus. Does a lot of stuff to make sure it's tensioned, ready to go. Plays back. Now, like, you can take a look. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll put my hand in front of the lens. Yeah, you can't see it because this camera doesn't like black and white CRTs. But anyway, this is a Magnavox camera. Uses a 12-volt battery. You have to deal with tracking. It's got a nice transport. This is metal case. It's very well built, and I like how the autofocus is very accurate on this thing. Very, very accurate. Shotgun microphone. And something that kind of freaked me out when I bought this is that the autofocus comes straight through the lens. Right there, firing directly through the lens, and that's how it gets its distance data. It's kind of cool. I think that thing is like a 1-watt LED infrared. It's got your zoom, 54x telephoto TV zoom lens, manual auto focus controls, 2-tube. So we got blue and red. Those are the two tubes that are in here, and I guess they're coated in a certain way that it makes up a good color palette or something. And it does record. Plays back just fine. And the eject mechanism works really good. Got some tapes for 75 cents. And I'm going to experiment with some tube style video recording when I go to some live shows and events. So this subs caps the HD reviews. Hit me up if you want to talk or have questions about these classic cameras that are hard to find, and that's all for now. Stay tuned.